Okay, so that thumbnail was hopefully enough clickbaity for my students because my content is apparently okay, but my thumbnails are not. All right, so sorry, entertainment over education starts. So just to let you know how chaotic the industry is, um, Rutile quartz. I bought this as Rutile quartz, and that was from I think they call themselves the biggest wholesaler in Australia. Massive sheds, 2 stories high. It's over in Ikitha Crystals. So I got these rutilised quartz. Um, and then just looking through my granite, um, I'm just sort of updating my collection and just reanalyzing a few things. And I saw these little fibers in there, and I was a bit worried that might be asbestos, so that's the white coloured ones you have to worry about. So just did a bit of research, and that's rutile, titanium dioxide. Um, and I thought uh, it could also be black, so I had to check, and it's not. It's the black stuff's actually tourmaline. It's not actually black, it's green. And if you want to know what the chemical structure is, take that in. All right, you can see there's a bit of iron in there. And so you can see in the samples, a little bit like concrete cancer, they're starting to rust away even all the way in there. It still makes its way to rust in and start to turn the dark green still turning golden color as well, just because of the iron weathering. And so it's not. It's actually tourmaline. Um, that's not rutilised quartz, it's tourmalized quartz. And I was sold the wrong thing. So there you go.